Hello students, today I am going to explain you the second chapter of history, the earliest society. This chapter deals with the arrival of human beings on this earth, and this has happened about 200 million years ago. This was a time when the man was developing from an ape-like creature to a human being like us. A lot of changes took place in his physical appearance, in his activities, and other surroundings that we will learn in this chapter one by one. Let's begin with this particular ape like creature that came on the earth. In the beginning, he walked on his four limbs, just like any other animal that you see around. Okay, that they use all their four limbs to walk on the ground in the same way the human beings were walking on the ground. In the span of time, okay, they learned how to stand erect, that is how to stand straight and walk straight, and this helped him to pick up the things with his hands because the hands had turned free. Okay, so now he could use his hands to pick up things and throw things, okay, to a distance places. Another significant change was the evolvement of his thumb. His thumb evolved, and now he could grip things more better than any other creature on the earth. Another significant change that took place with man was the increase of brain size. His brain size increased. As a result, he started to observe his surroundings and also adapt himself according to his surroundings. At that time, man lived on hunting and killing animals, and he used stones to kill that animals because this was the widely available material around him. So he used this stone to kill his prey. And during this time, he also learned that the sharp edges of these stones can be used to cut meats and also chop meats, and the round stones can be used to grind other things and also grind the wood and meat. So he started to make tools of stone according to his requirement. That is why this particular period is known as Stone Age, because for a long period of time man used stone as his main material to make weapon and tools. So as I told you that man learnt that the different types of stones can be used for different purposes, so he started to make these particular tools and weapons according to his requirements. So based on the type of tools he had prepared, this stone is divided into three periods. The first period is Paleolithic period, the second period is Mesolithic period, and the third period is Neolithic period. Paleolithic period means the old Stone Age, Mesolithic period means the middle Stone Age, and Neolithic period means the new Stone Age. Paleo is a Greek word which means old, and lithos means stone. So both together combined, when they are combined together, they form Paleolithic period, that is old stone period. So in this chapter we are going to learn about only Paleolithic period, because this was a period more longer than any other period of human life. Rest of the things I will discuss in the next video. Thank you.